Hi everybody, today I'll show you how to search from Gemini to Google Assistant on Android. So let's begin. Alright, to search from Gemini to Google Assistant, first of all we have to search for Google. So as you can see here that we have the Google on our Android and you will be able to find it too because Google is by default installed by the Android. So what we have to do, we have to tap on Google. Now we have to tap on our profile. So from here, we have to tap on settings. So in settings, you can see the option of Google Assistant. So in Google Assistant, what we have to do, we have to scroll down and you will be able to see the option of digital assistants from Google. So we're going to tap on that. So from here, you can see by default, Gemini is selected. So mostly on new Androids, this is the default settings. But if you want to use Google Assistant, what you have to do, you have to select Google Assistant. We have to tap on search. So this is how we can search from Gemini to Google Assistant on Android. So if you really find this video useful, hit the like button and subscribe the channel.